हम लोगों का थर्ड डेस्टिनेशन इन शिकागो और अभी हम लोग शिकागो लाइन क्रूज में जा रहे हैं। लेट्स गो।
So welcome to Chicago, or if you're local, any locals on board? Locals? Welcome to this boat, my friends. That counts. And for everybody, welcome to the Chicago River. That is the body of water we're currently on. This is the Chicago River. And it is frequently called a living museum of architecture. Oh, how poetic. A living museum of architecture. People really do say that. And it's true. We're going to see a lot of amazing buildings here. Who am I to tell you about them? Well, this is my 8th season here on this boat ride. But I also have a college degree in art history. I also have a master's degree in design. But most importantly, I like to ground this in using our eyes and our ears, and sometimes even our noses and our skin, to directly experience the city. The city on this boat ride is really just a big sensory experience, and I'm here to interpret for you. So let's get started using our eyes, because you've got really cool things all around you. It's a beautiful downtown area, and let's start with this beautiful wedding cake of a building on the right.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see. From up here, the world seems small. We can sit together. It's so beautiful, you and me. We meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, we're meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. You and me, meant to be in the great outdoors, forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back to see the truth around you. From a distance you can tell. You and me, we're meant to be